So I'm taking a quick break in the shade here. It's not much. There's I mean, it's just a small overhang, but it is sufficient for this little mini break. Surprising how much cooler it is too in the shade. It's helpful. So today, my plan, I don't have a whole lot of time because I have some other things I want to get done back at home base. So, but I need to get out here, spend some time with nature. So I figured I'd just pack the lunch I was going to eat today and just wander out here a little ways and find a place to eat it. So I don't know, I was kind of looking at this stuff actually above where I am now, but then from up there I started seeing things down here, and you know how that goes. You start seeing different things and want to go to that place. So I'm going to head down around here. Looked like there was a little bit of a trail down there too that I might be able to join up with and make some better time on that. I don't like spending a whole lot of time on the trails though, so but I might be able to get somewhere doing that. So that's the plan. I'm just going to head out and wander around, check some stuff out, and then cook up some food. That's kind of an abrupt end to this route. But that made it worth it. So I found this little shade spot. It's a pretty good one. I think it's been in the shade for a while because it's significantly cooler. The longer they're in the shade, the less heat there is in them, obviously. But so this is a good one. Probably cook up my food right here. It's already cooked. I just got to heat it up. Not a bad spot though. So I got my chicken and rice with green beans going on here. Found out the stuff heats up really quick when it's already in your 100-degree pack.